run your life, your race with perseverance. Hebrews 12:1 says, since we are surrounded by so a great cloud of witnesses, let us also lay aside every weight and sin which clings so closely, and let us run with endurance the race that is set before us. Looking to Jesus, the founder and perfecter of our faith, who for the joy that was set before him endured the cross, despising the shame, and is seated at the right hand of the throne of God. Run with endurance, focusing on Jesus. Can you see what's also important here? It says lay aside, not just sin, every weight. If you compete in your race, let's say you are called to be a pastor, there's a lot of things that you don't do, not because it's sin, but because you are running your race as pastor. If you compete in a marathon, you don't wear khakis and a sweater. You have to dress light to be able to do it, because that sweater will take all your energy. So when you run your race, what is the weights that you must lift? That you must say, no, this is not part of my race. This is making me tired. So it says, lay aside every weight and sin which clings so closely.